come to Pilay.
Okay, pre.
Oh, tingnan dyan. Ba't kasama mo talaga?
This is a 40-year-old dream. And this is a dream of our people. But now, Her Excellency, Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, for making this complete.
The project resulted in increased efficiency and reduced trip day in getting a driver. In the award is Senior Superintendent Abraham Intao. For the office and providing livelihood emergency assistance. The first prize goes to the Department of Living, focused efforts of Capiz State University's Coconut Breeding Program. First of Capiz State University. They received the award for producing a staff from the University of the Philippines in Visayas for the project.